Sonia, what button do I use again? Am I on? Is it live? Am I speaking to everybody? Hello, I am Sonia's dad, and I'm going to do a voiceover thing. Apparently they're very popular these days. Anyways, so it looks like Sonia is using cooking oil on her face. I think it might be olive oil. I think it's the olive oil from the kitchen. We kind of miss Sonia. What's she? Oh, ooh! Oh my God. That might hurt. I hate poking out myself in the eyes. Okay, she's rubbing her eyes now with the oil. It appears that she's rubbing the eyelashes with the vegetable oil. I don't even know what to say. Oh. Anyways, while she's doing this, because it'll take a while it looks like, I will tell you about the new tent trailer we have. Well, it's not a new one, but it's an old one. But we bought it, used. And apparently it wasn't cooking oil, but it was grapeseed oil. And I don't know if anyone can tell me, can you use grapeseed oil to cook? Is that okay to use, or do you use it in a salad, or what is grapeseed oil for? Maybe you could comment below. I've learned that you can say that. You can comment below. So she's wiping it off now. Ooh, look at all that stuff. It's kind of dirty. Yikes. So very carefully you wipe the grapeseed oil off. And now she's a lot happier because all the gunk's off her face. Alright, keep wiping. Looks every time she's wiping, she's smiling a bit more. But anyways, so what do you use grapeseed oil for? Comment below. Okay, she's still wiping. This takes a long time. Must be a lot of grapeseed oil there. Or makeup, or I guess that's to remove the makeup. I didn't know that. I think she might be done. Oh, she's happy with the results. I think you would be too. Now this is something called the ILLUMINATE enzyme. It's like a powder. Now that stuff you don't want to get in your nose. Oh, maybe it isn't a powder. But you don't want to get that in your eyes either, I don't think. I wonder if it's got like pumice in it or something. Like that worker cleaner that I use when I work on the car. It's got orange, it's got pumice in it, it's all very good. Okay, so she spreads that around her face with a vigorous motion. Yeah. And more on the chin, more on the top of the head. And now she's wiping it off. So that must take off all the oil, I'd imagine. So you have to get the oil to take off the makeup. Then you get the enzyme stuff to take off the oil. Ooh, look at that. This ordinary product stuff is pretty good, I've heard. I know she likes it. Oh wow, that looks like that camouflage paint the military wears when they go on special ops. Yeah, or maybe the stuff that football players put under their eyes to ensure that they're not blinded by the sunlight when they try to catch the ball. I don't know. Oh, she's looking kind of tough. Well, maybe she is going on a special op. But anyways, apparently this is a good product, and I'm not sure why. But I know that she's got a video on this specific product that you may want to look at as well. Comment below. I like saying that now. Comment below. Comment below. And okay, she's got to get the forehead. And there's a little spot on her nose she missed. I wonder if that's on purpose. Or well, maybe she should have got that little spot on her nose. I think she has to do it for like 10 seconds or 10 minutes. Okay, 145. 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's 10 seconds. I don't know. Oh my God, it's magic. How'd she get rid of that? There must be a product you use to get rid of that product. And now there's these Banish products, which are actually pretty good, I've heard. I actually have tried them myself. And they're good for exfoliation, one of their products. But you know what I like using the most? And this is something that I've used ever since the 70s. It's called ENZYME. I don't know if you people have heard about it. May comment below. But ENZYME is a very good product that it doesn't seem to... Ooh, what the heck is that? You know what that looks like? That looks like the silicone that I used to fill a gap near the dishwasher where the water was streaming underneath and was affecting the laminate on the wood surrounding the dishwasher. But I don't think you'd use that on your face though, and it dries pretty quick. So this is something else, but it looks like she's very happy using it, which is a good thing. And now she's patting it down. I think there's brushes for that. And now she's very happy. Oh, apparently you can buy it on her website at the Banish checkout, and you do get a discount of 10% if you use the code SONIA. Eucerin Urea Repair Cream. So now she has to use the repair cream to fix everything that may or may not happened from all the other things. So there's like, this is what, the 5th or the 6th product, or no wonder it takes so long to get ready in the morning. But if you use Noxzema, try that. Maybe you could cut out 1 or 2 of the products. I don't know, but that's something to experiment with. Comment below if you know about it. I like saying that. Comment below. Okay, looks like she's finished. So, if you frame it properly, it looks very nice. And now, oh, I thought this was a morning routine. Darn, this is what you do before you go to bed. There's so many complex issues when it comes to these products. But I wonder what the routine is for the wake up. Well, anyways, I can't really tell you much more than that. But I will tell you the story, but I think the video's over. Hello, is the video over? Sonia, I'm not sure, but the video might be over. There's no more to say, I guess. Anyways, over and out. This is Sonia's dad saying, be good, take care, and definitely wear your masks. Alright, we'll talk soon. Bye.